Google's launch of curative artificial intelligence is changing the look of your search results. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Fox 43 Syer Williams breaks it all down for us and explains who the technology really helps.
Your Google searches may have looked a little different these past weeks.
AI obviously is one of those hot ticket items that everyone is incorporating into their systems.
A new Curative AI tool has been integrated into Google's search engine, pulling information and stored data from the platform to summarize an answer.
And from that data storage, they can then build language models that would be used in this process.
How it works is that when you type in a question, a text paragraph will appear at the top of your screen, and at the top left, you'll see AI Overview. This overview was written and posted using AI, but pulling information from other websites and articles. But if consumers are getting the answers they need without thumbing through website after website, what does it mean for those platforms?
It might be problematic for retailers. If someone was making revenue on click-throughs, they're going to see a hit. It's actually just it's changing a business model, which we see happen frequently in technology.
Chris Palmer is the executive director of the Center for Advanced Entertainment and Learning Technologies at Harrisburg University. He teaches students how to interact with AI by using it in his curriculum. Palmer says AI has been quickly developing, and Google's Curative AI search engine is just the start of how technology, the way we use technology, and how often we use technology is changing.
We are going to see more of these products come out. We're going to get to a point 2 or 3 years from now where we can't imagine, well, how did we do this before we had AI to solve these things?
And for people who say they didn't consent to Google using their platforms to gather information, Palmer says pay attention to the fine print.
I hear about so many people say, oh, well, that was my information that they're using. But you have to read the terms of service. If you created a Google Sheet, if you created a Google Doc, you actually gave up, you retain ownership, but you've also have a licensing to Google to utilize that data, that information.
Sayer Williams, Fox 43 News.